Hi guys, this is the second part of my arithmetic operator. So as you can see, if I select odd, I can enter whatever figure in there and just press my submit, and that's the result. The same thing applies to division. Okay, can you see that? Multiplication and subtraction. Okay, but there's one problem. I would like the end user to actually see the operator that is being selected right here, and at the same time I like a display here that tells the user what operator they've actually selected. So there should be a display here and a display here that shows the operator that is used for the calculation. So let's go back to the main program and get that sorted. We're now in my program, the Flash development environment. This is the display I intend to use. The instant name for that display is called display actually. So, and the other one is show text. So what I'll now do is go straight into the action script. Right at the bottom, I'm going to be defining a new function. Well, as usual, just being lazy. Let me just copy this. Copy. Scroll right down. Paste that. Let me move this up so that you can see it. Paste that, and all I'll just do is change the name of the function to operation show. Let me just call it show, that's fine. So the event will also be mouse event. So let me enter my bracket there, curly bracket, and the next thing would be if let's just copy this. So I'm just going to copy this right here. If radio member dot selection label, let's bring that down here. Paste. Okay, if that is selected, show text dot text equals the plus sign, and display dot text equals you have selected addition. Okay, and that as well. Now my result, supposing there's another operator there, I would like the result to actually be cleared. So result text equals, let's just clear it because we're starting all over. So what I'm going to do is just to copy these, paste, and this will become subtraction. It's become subtraction as well with an N. Okay, now we have to change the sign to subtraction. Let's repeat the same thing for division. As for division, change the sign to division sign, and here division. So let's repeat exactly the same thing for the multiplication sign. Just sort of like being lazy. As for the multiplication sign, and here is our multiplication. That's the sign we're going to be using, and enter that. So it seems that's all there is to it. But one other thing that needs to be done is see all these components right here. We need all of these components to carry out these operations right here. Okay, so what I'm going to now do is, this is my function. It's known as operation show. So let's go right down here. So the first one is called add underscore MC dot add events listener, right? Open a bracket, enter the events that I'm going to be using to trigger this, and the event is the mouse click event, comma, the name of the function, close, and end it with a semicolon. So the next thing I'll do is just for the other three buttons, which is division, subtraction, multiplication, I will only copy and paste and just change the names. Okay, here is subtraction, sub, and this is my division, and here I have my mult. Okay, let me just check out my code to see if the syntax is correct. Oh well, let's see now. Let's come to control, test scene. Here's our program. If I select add, can you guys see that? That tells you the operator that is going to be used. Okay, and underneath here it says you have selected addition. So you can enter whatever you want to add up there. Okay, and that's your results. And the next thing is, if you want to divide, okay, you've been told you have selected division. You see that? So that means we need to extend these. Okay. Now multiplication, you selected the multiplication, and that's it. Okay guys, so let's say subtraction. As a sign subtraction, and you've been informed that you've selected the subtraction operator. Click there, that is the answer. So guys, that's the end to my second tutorial, and thanks for watching this video. I believe you guys enjoy it, and you can always develop more on this. Thank you and have a nice day.